The most common legal work that needs to be done in a business is the negotiation of business contracts, sales contracts, service contracts. And often the question arises, what is the best approach to such negotiations? I favor an approach which helps to maximize the revenue while protecting the assets of the company. So you would want to make sure that the business goal that you're trying to achieve, especially the profit, which you have calculated based on the chain of value you created from development to selling and servicing the product, that you achieve that goal. And so you need to put certain clauses into the contract that make the outcome predictable. Equally, you wouldn't want to risk the basis of your business. You wouldn't want to expose it, and therefore you need to limit the risk and the exposure you have that could threaten your whole business. But also you need to consider that there are the interests of the buyer, and that needs to be acknowledged, and it is important to create a win-win situation for the seller and the buyer. And to do so, it has turned out to be very helpful to consider and acknowledge cultural conditions, especially when you're selling across the border. And the best contract, the best sales contract, is the one that disappears in a drawer after the deal and is never looked at it again, because the companies, both sides, the buyer and the seller, have successfully managed their expectations and they are both happy with what they agreed.